So yun guys, magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat. Sa mga nanonood ngayon at di pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po tayo para mas marami pa tayong magawang video. Anyway, dahil ngayon, quarantine pa rin tayo, mas okay na yung nagdo-drawing tayo sa loob ng bahay kaysa lumabas pa tayo ng bahay. Syempre, delikado pa. Mas natututo pa tayong mag-drawing, diba? Mas na reflex pa natin yung ating skills pag nasa loob tayo ng bahay lang. At ngayon, gagawa muli tayo ng portrait or magdodrawing po muli tayo. At ang idodrawing natin ngayon ay isa sa mga kilalang vlogger ng Pilipinas at gumagawa rin siya ng mga magagandang content niya, syempre, kasi di naman lahat ng vlogger may mga magagandang content. Siya ay walang iba kundi si Cong Velasquez ng Team Payaman. So, ngayon, ito pa rin naman yung gagamitin nating mga materials. Charcoal pa rin tayo, syempre. Bali, kung nakahanda na yung mga gagamitin yung materials, yung mga ganyan, Oslo, pwede na tayo magsimulang mag-portrait.
Burning tires in a stolen car. I fucked up so bad outside the bar. Heading out as far away I can. Heart is pounding, got so damn out of hand. Doing 90 through the city night. Nothing's ever gonna be alright. Life will never be what it was. Hands are shaking, 'cause now my future is crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. I have to forget my old set way of life. I go to prison or die by the knife. I hear the sirens, they are closing in. Turn to fast car starts to spin. Screaming tires, time is running short. I go on foot as my last resort. Running harder, faster than before, until my legs and feet are sore. Life will never be what it was. My mind is shaking, 'cause now my future's crashing down on me. Down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. Have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the knife. What the hell did you do? Now my future's crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. Have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the night. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight. Had no choice, it was me or them. Now for a lifetime I'm condemned. Have to forget my old set way of life. I'll go to prison or die by the night.
Yan. So guys, tapos na po tayo sa ating portrait. Ayan, i-close up ko siya. Ayan. Bali, pure charcoal po yan. So sana mapanood to ni Sir Kong at manotice tayo, no, mapansin tong ginawa ko portrait para sa kanya. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, matabingi na naman. Yan. So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, just like, share, and subscribe na rin po para mas marami pa tayong magawang video. Comment below na rin po kasi next video ko, titingin na po ko sa mga comment para po sa portrait request ninyo. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Power. Ay, mali. Power.